Then 4. Something you watch for entertainment.
TV.
Is a place where people live.
House.
Is a vehicle you give move from one to place to another.
Car.
Yes. Just a moment, please. Car. Check answers. Check answer'a vurursan nə qədər düzün çıxır göstərir. Backpack. Book. Yoxla. Valid. Then TV. 5. House. 6. Car. 7. Wear. Shoes. 8. Computer. 9.
Well,
Mobile phone. 10. Umbrella you take when it rains. And how many have you got right answers? Okay, one mistake. Okay, congratulate you. The second and the third vocabulary test at home. You must do. Okay? You must do this vocabulary tests. Second or 3 at home. Homework. Understand me?
no.
Bax, deyirəm ki, ikinci və üçüncü tapşırıqları ev tapşırığı kimi evdə işləyəcəksən. Okay?
Yes.